down and draw and explode them, and then the wind turbine will glitch out and lift up a bit. After that, you guys will need a really heavy vehicle and a strong vehicle such as the dump truck, which you guys can get delivered to you by Pegasus. So once it kind of lifts up, what you guys can do is crash into the wind turbine with your dump truck, and it's going to move. Just keep on hitting it till it falls down. And once the wind turbine finally falls down, it's going to leave like a hole in the ground. So from here,